Myself, Dr. Ankita, Assistant Professor in RPIT Medical and Technical Campus, Karnal. Today I will discuss about the digestive system part 2. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Digestion is important for breaking down food into nutrients which the body uses for energy, growth and cell repair. Food and drink must be changed into smaller molecules of nutrients before the blood absorbs them and carries them to cell throughout the body. The body breaks down nutrients from food and drink into carbohydrates, proteins, fats and vitamins. Carbohydrates are the sugar, starches and fibers found in many foods. Carbohydrates are called simple or complex depending on their chemical structure. Simple carbohydrates include sugar found naturally in foods such as fruits, vegetable, milk and milk products, as well as sugars added during food processing. Complex carbohydrates are starches and fiber found in whole grain breads and cereals, starchy vegetables and legumes. The dietary guidelines for American 2010 recommended that 45 to 65% of total daily calories come from carbohydrates. Protein foods such as meat, eggs and beans consist of large molecules of proteins that the body digests into smaller molecules called amino acids. The body absorbs amino acids through the small intestine into the blood, which then carries them throughout the body. The dietary guidelines for Americans 2010 recommends that 10 to 35% of total daily calories come from proteins. Fats molecules are a rich sources of energy for the body and help the body absorb vitamins. Oils such as corn, canola, olive oil, sunflower, safflower, soybean and sunflower are examples of healthy fats. Butter, shortening and snack foods are example of less healthy fats. During digestion, the body breaks down fat molecules into fatty acids and glycerol. The dietary guidelines of American 2010 recommends that 20 to 35% of total daily calories come from fat. Vitamins. Scientists classify vitamins by the fluid in which they dissolve. Water soluble vitamins include all the vitamins and vitamins C. Fat soluble vitamins include vitamins A, D, E, and K. Each vitamin has a different role in the body growth and health. The body stores fat soluble vitamins in the liver and fatty tissues, whereas the body does not easily store water soluble vitamins and flushes out the extra in the urine. Read more about vitamins on the Office of Dietary Supplementary. Thank you.